After years of playing catch-up in the smartphone arena, Google is finally ready to lift its Pixel series to the ranks of genuine premium challengers. Without any visible hardware flaws, the Pixel Pro 99 XL has top-tier characteristics. It also brings an amazing assortment of new capabilities, but can it genuinely compete with Samsung's stronghold, the Galaxy S24 Ultra flagship? The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL against the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will decide which Android flagship smartphone is worth your investment due to the tough rivalry. Recently, Google looked to be focusing on manufacturing budget-friendly flagship smartphones with clever trade-offs, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL represents a significant shift in direction, exhibiting premium hardware specs with minimum sacrifice. Even if you go for the smaller Pixel 9 Pro variant with a 6.3-inch display, it is still less expensive than Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Pixel 9 Pro XL truly secures Hub's first advantage over the Galaxy S24 Ultra in this regard. While both smartphones have amazing display characteristics including its QHD resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and LTPO technology, the Pixel 9 Pro models have a minor advantage due to their peak brightness of 3000 nits. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra provides a respectable 2600 nits. While this difference is tiny since brightness is evaluated logarithmically and the advantages fade at higher levels, it is worth mentioning. Aside from the statistics, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a more practical advantage with its anti-reflective display. Furthermore, the Gorilla Glass armor provides better scratch resistance than the earlier Gorilla Glass Vicus 2 utilized in the Pixel 9 Pro. Because of its low glare, the S24 Ultra is a top pick for usage in direct sunshine and bright surroundings. Shifting our focus to processing capabilities, the Pixel 9 Pro series introduces Google's Tensor G4. While we are currently reviewing its performance in real-world applications, past Tensor chips have traditionally trailed behind the market's top rivals. If this trend continues, the S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU may have a little advantage. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.